Hello everyone, I am Archana Rani. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss assignment number 9 of Python Programming Laboratory. The problem definition is write a Python program to demonstrate working of class and object with example. The learning objective for this assignment is to learn how to use the object-oriented concept in Python, and the outcome that we are expected that student will able to implement the object-oriented concept in any real-life problem. Problem definition, as I said it, that you have to write a Python program which help to demonstrate the working of class and object with example, suitable example. Prerequisite for this program are you should able to know how to use the input and output in Python programming, data types, operators, object oriented concept as how to define the class, member functions, object of the function, how to call the functions and all. The problem solutions for this assignment is to implement the object-oriented concept. I have considered here the problem definition as a ATM machine. As you know that ATM machine perform the multiple operations that are first one is account information, second pin change, balance inquiry, withdraw and deposit. Now by using these different functionalities are the operations performing different operations, you have to create the class called as the ATM and the member methods nothing but your operations. That means your code will have the 5 methods. One more important note that you have to consider here, if you put the wrong pin in 3 times it get blocked, the message should be displayed likewise. That means you need to write a program in this way that you give the wrong pin 3 times, your account should get blocked. You are able to store the account information in terms of the dictionary or the files as your convenience. If you are using the dictionary, then the key will be how your name value with your account name, mobile number and pin. For example is given here, account name is ABC, then the account number is given here, mobile number and the pin number likewise. And if you are using the file, then the details may be the name, account number, mobile number, address and pin likewise. You have to consider the problems definitions or the solutions, and accordingly you have to implement the program. For implementing in steps, you can perform the 5 steps that you can take the account information from the users, then define the class as ATM, define the different members functions which we want to perform the different operations which I list out it in a previous slides, that are the account information, pin change, balance inquiry, withdraw and deposit. Then print the final result and then you can exit the program. This is a program for the ATM information, as all of you are knowing how to define the class, how to declare the different methods, yes, and how to access the information, as we have already seen in assignment 7 and 8 the object oriented concept. So I am going to compile this program, and when we compile this program, this is the output for each and every functionalities of operations. I will demonstrate you program. Okay, this is all about this assignment, and the conclusion is that you have to read the data from the user, implement the object oriented concept, and display the appropriate result on the screen. If we run the program, as I said it that I have already prepared the program for this. So we have to create the class called as the ATM, then in that ATM class I have created the init functions. Hope everybody remember that init functions, I have already said it what is the use of these functions. Okay, when this function is used, it is this the role of this function is it's called automatically every time when the class is being to create a new object. It's init stands for, here you can remember like the initialization, so it will automatically call it. Then the second methods functions we have created here, the account information. In account information, simply we are putting the name, account number and the phone number, whereas the next functionality is pin change. For pin change, we are maintaining the 3 times as it's given explicitly in a problem solutions, that you have to enter the pin and maintaining the terms how many times you have enter the terms, and accordingly it asks for the new pin, and if it's get over to the greater than 3, then it will tell you the incorrect pin number and the tries are left, and then it will not allow you to change it. It will give it the message as the account is blocked. Likewise, the next one you can, next method is defined as a account balance method, that whatever balance you are having you can display that balance. Withdraw, for withdrawing the account, while withdrawing it will first print the balance of your account, and then it asks for how much amount you want to withdraw, and accordingly it will check it, and then it will minus that amount from your final account, and then it printed that the new account balance. Deposit, for depositing it will ask that how much amount you want to deposit it, and it will add that into your final account amount. Accordingly it will again print the new account balance. Likewise, then some informations I have taken, as I said it initially only, that you can take it the name, maintaining the directory here, so taking the name, then the account number, mobile number, pin, and the balance. Okay, I have considered here and saved it that into the info, and with the help of the while loop I am maintaining the informations, and it will ask for, once you enter the name from the directory, that is ABCDEF, then Vedant. Likewise, data I have considered here, it will ask for the name, and once you give it the name, then it asks for the pin number. For example, if I take it the name as a ABC, then pin number for that ABC is 4545. If it's matched with that pin number, that is the second value of that array, then it will display the menu bar, that is the account information, pin change, that 5 operations which are already stated in problem definitions. Okay, balance, inquiry, withdraw, deposit, and then it asks for the select operation, and whatever operations I am selecting from this menu, accordingly it will call the methods of that class with the help of the object, and then it will run that program. Otherwise, at the end, if that account is not put it properly, or the pin for the particular name, that pin is not entered 3 times properly, then that account may be get it the message as account is blocked. And if I run this program, then it will show you the output. Just check it. It will ask for the name, and as I said it, that name is already given in a dictionary, so I put it the name as a ABC. It's asked for the pin number, I put pin number, it's given 4545. Then it will show the menu bar. For menu bar, if I ask select the first operation, that is account information, it will display the account information, that is account number, phone number, which is given in a class, yes, base class. Then it asks for the continuous operations. If I press it again, it will show the menu bar. If I select the second operation, that is pin change, then it will ask for the original pin, that is your 4545 pin. Then it asks for the new pin. Let's, I put it the new pin, that is 5454. Yes, then pin is updated here. Next one, third operation is for the balance inquiry. Account balance, initially we maintain the 12,000. Next one is for withdrawing, is asking for the withdraw. While withdraw the money, as I shown you in a program, it's already show your account balance, then amount, that if you withdraw the money, then it will show the remaining balance of your account, that is 11,500. 12,000 में से 500 रुपये मैंने minus किया. Okay, if we continue it for the deposit of the money, then it will show you, if I deposited again 500, then it will again maintain the new balance in operations. Likewise, if I press it the Y here, that is I don't want to continue as my all operations as shown it, then it will exit the program and display the thank you message as it's written here. Okay, this is all about the eighth assignment, that is sorry, ninth assignment, that is you have to demonstrate the use of the object oriented programming concept. Thank you.